I'm Allison.
I'm Kristen.
I'm Daniel.
We already have all this from Apologia.
I'm learning about flying creatures.
I'm learning human anatomy.
And then I'm doing physical science, which is in this box.
All right, let's open it.
I got that pop.
Physical science.
Oh, I need that.
There's also this, which we're all doing this.
Okay, what is that?
It's our Bible curriculum.
Yeah.
I'm not doing
See.
that.
Oh, yes, you are doing that. Who am I?
Come on.
Oh,
where's
wow.
flying creatures?
Does anyone want a magazine?
No.
I got one of those in the mail one time.
Yes, you did.
Come on, where's flying creatures?
Buddy, your flying creatures is right there.
But there should be stuff about
And then
flying
this is
creatures.
books for our
Here's
curriculum,
another book.
for the Bible curriculum.
Oh,
And here's one of the others for the older kids.
all right, let's look in this.
Nope. Yours.
Right there.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, Mommy.
What, buddy?
You got a coloring book?
Ooh, what do you say?
Oh, looks like we all got coloring books.
It's the Who is God coloring book.
All right, what else we got? We've not got to Allison's science yet.
Really?
Ooh, Allison, are you so excited for junior high science?
Don't be
Hey,
scared. I'm
that's
sure it'll
mine.
be easy.
Hey, that's mine. I'm also learning about space.
What the heck? This isn't. Oh, hi.
I'm also. Hey, there should be
I like the
one.
picture on the back.
Oh, yeah? So you want to go ahead and bump up to physical science?
I'd be fine.
Hey, we
with,
didn't
high
got all
school.
of that.
So this is a test book. A whole
Nice.
book just for tests. Awesome.
Wow, that must be so exciting.
All right, what else do we got in here? Oh, is this one Is this going to be Daniel's notebooking journal? No, that must be
Actually, you got two.
Oh,
this one.
No, that's not Daniel.
The junior notebooking
You
journal.
got two. There's three.
Buddy, I don't have you a notebooking journal yet. Look, there's coloring pages. Come here, buddy. You want to see your coloring books in this?
But I want that.
Buddy, you're not that old. Look, this is yours. You want to see this?
Is that animals?
That is the junior notebooking journal.
So you get this all to yourself, Daniel.
Yep,
Mentions
just
the
you.
Chronicles of Narnia.
Oh, is that the coloring book? Show the
Yeah.
front of that. Oh, that's cool.
It says, in the Chronicles of Narnia, the lion Aslan represents Jesus Christ.
Did you already know that?
Yeah.
Let's see what else we got here. So this is the Who Am I Bible curriculum. We're pretty excited to try this out next year. Allison actually is the one who suggested it. She saw it in the catalog and wanted to do it as a family for our Bible time next school year. And let's see if the physical science book, Allison. All right, and then Allison will be doing physical science for 8th grade.
How much I got for yes?
She is not that thrilled about bumping up to junior high science, are you, my dear?
No, I really don't like science all that well.
So, yeah, but she still has to do it. So, this is the physical
Yeah, I just
science.
this all the time.
Let me see the notebook and journal, Allison. Let's see what's in this one. The student notebook. Is this one going to be different than... Yeah, Allison, this is a lot different than the early elementary. Lots of interesting things in that. And then, like I said, next year, Kristen is going to be doing human anatomy, and Daniel's going to be learning about
Fly animals.
flying animals. And that is a peek into what we are using from Apologia for our 2018-2019 school year. Guys, do you guys have anything to say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
love Apologia.
I hate the pause here though.
Wow, Daniel, that's so kind.
Why do you say that, Daniel? Do you even know what that is?
No.
No?
You
That's-
can't hate something you don't know.
That's our science curriculum. That's who made that Flying Creatures book.
Oh.
Yeah, now what do you say?
I'm sorry.
Bye.
Bye.